Oh my gosh, it looks incredible. In case anyone was wondering what I've been struggling to cut through and why I need a Sawzall, that's what it was, what I just showed you. It's pretty hard to cut through just on the outer face. Oh, check that out. Original hose clampage. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. Now that that's open, here's the trick. I've got to move these arms and right here and here. So if I can get these out of the way, they don't retract anymore. This is a cheap tuxedo lift. It's on Amazon, other websites. I don't know if it's on Amazon, but I got it and I ordered it through Home Depot, believe it or not. They actually brought it in. It saved me freight on delivery. I still paid for delivery, but I didn't pay for the additional service of a forklift. So yeah, this is good. Long story short, I just have to work around this, which I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. My thought is to swing these forward. I can't do that, there's no way. The other thought is to put a 2x4 across each one, like an 8-foot. Swing these way out here. I don't know if that's gonna work either. I may have to drop it down, prop the cab up on the frame rails, move those around and let it down with a jack. Let's try that. All right, I'm gonna come down and we're gonna try to see where she's landing and what I can do here. There was a long delay in between there. I dropped a 36-inch crowbar. Tried to catch it. It hit my watch. And then the claw went straight down into my leg. That's gonna be a swell, I can tell you that. All right, back at it. I want to get this cab down so bad and get the jack out, roll it out, and look at it. Now I can start working my measurements, but I'm running into hiccups in here. I feel like I'm gonna have to be cutting some more right through here and on the opposing side. And this all depends on where this cab goes, you know, forward to back on this chassis, because we're running into issues like this is hitting this box. Am I going to have to cut that out and put a flat piece in? I don't know. All right, boys and girls, we are running into a major cut here. You can see that A-pillar is digging into the door. Let's check the driver's side. It looks like I am going to have to cut some of that because I can't push that much product out of the way. It looks like it's going to be the same. We'll cut that curve out of the top because these doors are slanted at the top. Man, this is the never-ending A-pillar. Everything I just said about saving that piece is gone. It's okay. We'll get some nice welds in here and put some flat plate. My goal is to put a whole sheet of flat plate right here. From here to here, go straight up. We'll epoxy this. And then I'll tidy this up. Just one big flat piece. Weld the majority of it in, seam seal the rest, done. Maybe some weld-proof primer. We have clearance, permission for takeoff. I know I'm overusing that, but hey, it's okay. That firewall is going to raise up significantly. And the reason I say that is I've got to get this back handled. I'm kind of at a loss of what to do here. We will see. Give me a minute. I'm recording this because I know somebody's going to say, how did you do that? That is how I did that. It's kind of embarrassing, but here you go. Let me explain how good this looks. I haven't leveled it or nothing. Oh my gosh, it looks incredible. Absolutely stunning. Megan said dinner's almost done. I gotta hustle. The cab has got to go back significantly. Come back and look. I mean, we gotta push the cab back about 4 inches or so. I'm okay with that. I've got the room and we can slide it. As long as I can get the front lifted, I'll be okay.